Hello friends and welcome back to English Life. Today I'd like to teach you about classroom objects. So sit back and enjoy. Let's learn these objects together. This is a book. We can read and study. This is a pencil. It's a mechanical pencil. We can write in our book. This is a color pencil. We can color things. This is an eraser. We can erase our mistakes with a pencil. This is a pen. It is an unicorn pen. It is cute, but we can write. But we cannot erase. This is a highlight pen or a highlighter. We can highlight parts of the book. This is whiteout. We can white out what we did with a pen. This is a marker. This is a whiteboard marker. We can use our whiteboard and write things like hello. This is a ruler. We can take a measurement, or we can draw a line. These are scissors. We can cut things out. This is a stapler. We can staple things together. This is tape. We can tape things to paper. This is a paper clip. We can clip things. This is a hole punch. We can punch holes into. This is a pencil sharpener. We can sharpen pencils. This is a calculator. We can calculate numbers. This is an electronic dictionary. We can look things up. This is a map. We can see the world. This is a globe. We can see the earth, the whole world, America, Japan. This is a clock. we can see what time it is. This is a calendar. We can see what day it is or what day it's going to be. So, did you enjoy learning these classroom objects? If so, please hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English pronunciation training. Thank you. See you again soon.